Hi, thanks for clicking on this video. Today, I will show you how to delete recently visited pages on Facebook. Make sure to subscribe to fix it for more tutorials. So the first step is open up Facebook application. Go to menu at the bottom for screen and then tap on this gear icon to go to your settings and privacy. So when you are on this screen, scroll down until you see your information section. Once you find a tap on the activity log is under your information section. And then scroll all the way down to the bottom of the screen. And tap on View Logged Actions. And it will show you all of the recent searches that you did on Facebook and any pages that you visited. So if you want to delete them, simply tap on Clear Searches. Everything will be deleted at once. If this tutorial helped you today, make sure to subscribe to fix it. Leave a comment below on what you want to see next.